Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup contractor contracts with PandaDoc, full guide step by step clearly. To backup contractor contracts using PandaDoc, first, log into your PandaDoc account. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the Documents tab on the left sidebar. Click on the Documents tab to access your list of contracts. Find the specific contractor contract you want to backup. Hover over the contract to reveal the options available. Click on the contract to open it for viewing. In the upper right corner, look for the Download button. Click the Download button to save the document to your device. Choose the format you prefer, such as PDF or Word, from the drop-down menu. Confirm your choice by clicking Download again. Next, navigate to your computer's file system. Select the appropriate folder where you want to store the backup. Click Save to ensure the contract is securely stored. For additional security, consider using a cloud storage service to upload your backup. Log into your chosen cloud storage account. Select the option to upload files from your device. Locate the downloaded contractor contract in your file system. Select the contract and confirm to upload it to your cloud storage. Now, your contractor contract is both backed up on your device and securely in the cloud. Regularly check your backups to ensure all contracts are up to date. Make a habit of backing up contracts after each update or change. Following these steps will ensure your contractor contracts are safely backed up with PandaDoc. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.